So Maryland versus Wilson is for the passengers of the vehicle, and I believe, and it could be a coincidence, but I believe that Officer Clark, that guy, said, "Hey guys, stay in the vehicle." Just he was telling them to stay in the vehicle. He's giving them an order, and I think the reason he did that is because now he took control of them. Maryland versus Wilson. Now, from Josh from Accountability for All told me that his civil rights attorney told him is in case law like Pennsylvania versus Mims and Maryland versus Wilson, it's not always what the case law says. Sometimes it's what the case law doesn't say. And so
Hmm.
if he
That's true.
doesn't if he doesn't order them to stay in the vehicle and then they get out on their own accord,
Right.
well, now they're just free Americans on a public sidewalk and they have no control over them and they can't order them back inside the vehicle. So that's
Right.
why I think he did that, is just so that he can take control of them right then.
Well,
So what?
also, I think what they can do is in this spot, can't they ask if they're detained or free to go?
Right? Yeah,
And
they
then
could do that.
if they're detained, then what crime are they being detained for?
Right. But that's what the Maryland versus Wilson is. If they're a passenger in the vehicle, they can take control of them by telling them, "Hey, you guys need to stay in the vehicle." But again, if
Yeah.
if he wouldn't have said that and they would have got out of the vehicle, then at that point you're free and you have to have reasonable articulable suspicion to. You can't just order somebody on the street to get into somebody's vehicle.